how you can make money without endless hours of work. If you'd like to learn how to do that, then stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry from Product Creation Formula, and here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. How you can make money without endless hours of work. In the United States, Canada, England and Australia, large portions of the population are employed. If you're one of those people, you probably already know how difficult it is if you want to make extra income from a typical job. Typically in a job, people are trading time for money. Often the main way people make extra money in a job is to work overtime or longer hours. However, needless to say, most people working aren't making money for the fun of it. A lot of people have to financially support themselves and their families. Unfortunately, most jobs require hard work and long hours. You might find that your job is taking you away from the important things in life, like spending time with your family. Instead of settling for this, why not take a risk and do something about it? You can easily find other ways to make money. When it comes to making money, there are lots of people who flock to the internet. Online, you will literally find unlimited number of business opportunities. A lot of these business opportunities overinflate the expectations by promising you unlimited income with little or no work. Unfortunately, a lot of these business opportunities are often scams. But saying that, there are some that are legitimate. One of these legitimate opportunities involve getting a hold of online private label right products. So, what are private label right products? Essentially, it's a license that allows you to be able to edit and sell a product someone else has created. For example, you can have a license to an ebook that legitimately allows you to change the content to sound like you wrote it. Plus, most private label right products allow you to even put your name on it as the author. The type of products I'm speaking about are things like ebooks, video courses, e-reports, checklists, software, or apps, just to mention a few. Don't worry, this is completely legitimate. The creator of the product purposely gives you permission to change the product and make it your own. You can usually get hold of these types of products from PLR stores. If you watched any of my other PLR videos, I sometimes mention where you can get some good PLR content. Just make sure you are getting private label rights, or PLR for short. Don't confuse master resale rights with private label rights, or resale rights for private label rights. Master resale rights, or MRR, or resale rights, or RR for short, do not give you the rights to alter the original content. After you've managed to get your hands on some PLR products, it's strongly advisable to change it and make it unique. You need to do this so you don't look like everyone else who just bought a PLR product and slapped their name on it. This will not get you any sales. And believe me, there are many people out there doing just that. The easiest way to edit a PLR ebook is to use a tool like BookBolt. BookBolt is an AI paraphrasing tool. It will help you to significantly change the content in the shortest time possible. It's advisable to significantly change the content so as you can make it unique to you. One of the main reasons for grabbing a PLR product, editing it, and selling the product as your own is that it allows you to keep 100% of the profits. For instance, if you purchase a PLR ebook, you won't have to create an ebook from scratch. This is great because the creation of these products not only takes time to create, but talent as well. Private label rights allow you to skip the hard work of researching the content, structuring it, writing it, and figuring out if the niche is profitable or not. This allows you to concentrate on selling their product for maximum profits. One of the most common questions asked when it comes to private label rights is, why would the original author or creator want to give someone else the rights to claim authorship of the product they created? The reality is, that's exactly how they make most of their money. A lot of professional PLR authors or PLR video creators make most of their money when they sell their products to others, so the new owner can edit it and make it their own. In fact, PLR creators like to focus on doing just that. They're providing a valuable asset to online marketers. The PLR creator benefits from selling the product and its rights to other people. In turn, the person buying the product benefits by selling the product as their own and keeping 100% of the profits. Have you heard the story of the gold prospectors back in the gold rush days? Generally, the ones selling the tools like picks, shovels, gold mining pans, etc. made most of the money. In other words, they sold the tools needed for others to try and make it rich. PLR providers are doing just that. They're providing you the tools to succeed online. Some people have made a fortune selling edited PLR products. And unfortunately though, like those in the gold rush days, some people never made a cent either. Those who do make money online usually repurpose the product to create multiple other products, so as to add more income streams to their already growing revenue. What I mean is that they'll turn a group of articles into an ebook. The ebook can then be turned into a video course. The video course can then be turned into a membership site where they can charge a monthly recurring income. They can also break it up into smaller reports and give them away to get someone to join their email list, so they can be a ready-made traffic source. Remember that once you sell the product, it's 100% profit once you make your money back from the initial purchase. To make money off of this, you'll have to sell the product that you have. Don't let it just sit around on your hard drive doing nothing, gathering virtual dust. Do something with it. This is where the work comes in, but it's not what you may expect. Since you'll be working as your own boss, you'll be in control of the money that you want to make. Therefore, you can choose your own hours. Lots of people who choose this type of business model spend most of their time advertising or marketing their product to the general public. This marketing may take time, especially if you take the free route, but you can also look for a fast method for selling your products, like paid advertising. These free methods may include, but are not limited to, standard websites or blogs where you sell the products via a checkout on a page. You can also develop an email list where you can build a relationship with your audience, which then allows you to be able to sell to them. So, as you can see, there's quite a few benefits to buying private label right products. Not only can you make money, but you can also decide how much or how little time you want to work. What could be better than that? Now, over here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And over here is a picture of an icon of my head. And if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And bye for now.